Dance terminologies. Clockwise.
1, 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2.
Cut.
1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 4 and 2.
Hop.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2.
Saludo.
Saludo, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, harap.
Stomp.
1, 2, 3, go. 5 and 2, 5 and 2. Press, 4.
Swing.
Swing, 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 2 and 3 and 2, 4 and 2. Press, 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 4 and 2. Press,
Tap.
up, press, tingin sa likod. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Press,
Whirl.
1, 2, 2 and
2 and 2.
Dance steps. Close step.
Slow step. 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2.
Change step.
Change step. Kanan. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 4 and 2. Press.
Contradanza.
1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 4 and 2.
Three-step turn.
3-step turn. 1, 2, 3, go. Kaliwa. 1 and 2. Okay. Ano naman? Go. 1 and 2.
Haplik dance steps. A. Take 2 steps forward starting from right then left. Counts 1, 2.
Letter A.
B. Hop on left, raise the right knee in front and swing the right foot to left. Count 1. Hop again on the left and swing the right foot obliquely forward right. Count 2. Hop, buhat, swing, buhat, swing. C. Make 3-step turn right in place, starting with the right foot. Counts 1 and 2. D. Repeat B, hopping on the right and swinging the left foot.
Go. Hop. Buhat. Swing. Buhat. Swing.
E. Repeat C, turning left, starting with the left foot. F. Repeat B. G. Take 2 steps backward, starting with the right foot, then left. Counts 1, 2. H. Close right foot to left foot in first position. Count 1. Pause. Count 2.
1, 2, 3, go.